green.
Mm-hmm.
How long does it take to dry?
About 30 seconds.
Oh, really? Go faster. Yeah.
Not very long, sister.
Hold your arm still. Yeah, that's a good girl. This is going to get hard.
Yeah, it's going to get hard.
Mm-hmm. So if you fall on your arm, it won't hurt.
Again.
And in a couple weeks, when it's all better, we'll come back in.
Mm-hmm.
Now take it off.
You're a good girl.
Yeah, I know.
I know. I'm a good girl.
Good job.
Okay, we'll just let her sit like that for a couple minutes, and then we'll be good. I'll be back.
You got a green one? Whoa.
Nice, huh?
Just gotta let it dry. Hold on. Don't touch it. It's sticky. Let it dry. Okay.
See?